Alright, so we got our little hour, 15-minute break here. Let's go and have a little look. See you in a bit. See you in a bit. Sorry.
You chop yourself.
No! Thank you. Come on then, let's go. So you can see all the boats. Got the old Davy Jones. I think Sabrina went on this one already. So I've forgotten where we are. What's it called? Turunç? Turunç? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put the title in the videos.
Yeah, it'll be up on there right now, telling you where we are. There's probably say on there actually. Fishing, so cool. TKEN. No, Turunç. Turunc. Yeah. Turunç. It's roasting though. We are really hot. Yeah, it's really, really hot here. Right, you've seen all the boats before. Let's go and have a look at the restaurants and stuff like that. Let's get the shops, yeah, get your bags. It's very hot. Ice creams, if you want an ice cream. Shopping. Oh, TK Maxx. There you go. So, oh, Sabrina wants to be there. Woo. Come on then. Let's keep going. So he said there'd be a crossing, go right and then left. So I guess that's up here. So yeah, check that out. So more clothes. JD Sports as well. Handbags. I'm sweating. Need to go in the shade. I'm going to go in the shade. No, I'm not going that side, I'm going this side. I've got music on now, so being very annoying with their music as always. Why am I single? Something's too big, could kill somebody. Yeah. I do suffer from that quite a lot. Very scary. Right, what we got here? Old Jamaica bar, is it? What is it? So what the colours? So yeah, everyone enjoying their have a bit of lunch. What we got here? So this M48 corner cocktails, very nice. Got live music, karaoke, side sports as well. And then left, yeah. So sunglasses, watches. You got the big mouse from the boat. A few beers. Let's keep going. I'll let you go with your fresh. Turkish delights. More and more clothes. More and more clothes, hats. Very nice. It's tonight is Turkey vs Español, Spain. So we will have to get out and watch that. Support Turkey tonight. He said left, but it's gonna have to be a cash point. We're looking for a cash point at the moment. We need to pay for our trip. Let's walk in the middle of the road. As you go. So, let me know in the comments if you ever been here before. Have you done a boat trip and been here like us, or do you come here and stay here? It looks really nice. I think we didn't go the right way, but the guy told us when he was saying to go to the cash machine. But we will find it. More gift shops there. Loads of clothes shops. You alright? There's a cash machine this way. Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you. As soon as you buy the taxis, isn't it?
Yeah, okay. Jewellery, always jewellery. Let me know again. Let me know if anyone's ever bought jewellery from here. I'm very sceptical about buying jewellery outside of England. I don't have any way of testing what it is. But I bought some pearls one time in Tenerife. They turned out to be fake pearls, obviously. I didn't pay a lot. Obviously, you're paying hardly anything for things. Of course, they're not going to be real. Ah, right there, look at that. Loads of them. Right, Sabrina's going to go get cash. I'm going to keep walking up here. And I'll meet you back here, Sabrina. Any of them. You normally go for that red one. Don't know what the difference is. Let me know if you know what the difference is, guys. Guys and girls. Nice hotel here. Yeah. Don't know what he was, a policeman or traffic warden. What's this? Turunç. Jojo's there. Hookah. Get yourself a hookah in there. That's a nice little restaurant up top there. It's very nice. So, pizza, restaurants, more restaurants. Real estate. We are looking to come out here one time for a little bit longer. Maybe do a month next year. We've got a few plans that we want to do next year. Like I said, I'm going to do a live at some point. Maybe tonight I'll do a live again. If you're watching this, look back and see and find the live that we did. If you want information on what we're doing next year. If we don't do it live though, there'll be another video talking all about what we're going to be doing, where we're going to be. Okay, so this is the last bar, so I'm going to stop walking up this road, I guess. So yeah, guys, if you could all like, share, comment, share to your family and friends. We're outside the Vanilla Bar in Turunç. And yeah, it's been a great trip. It's our last day. So you're about to get bombarded with loads and loads of videos. Well, you would have already been bombarded because this should be one of the last ones. But yeah, share this to your friends and family, and we'll catch you on the next one.